સરસ. જસમનારાયણ. સજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય. ગુરુ બ્રહ્મા ગુરુ વિષ્ણુ ગુરુદેવો મહેશ્વર ગુરુર સાક્ષાત પરબ્રહ્મ તસ્મૈ શ્રી ગુરુવે નમઃ. ત્વમેવ માતા ચ પિતા ત્વમેવ ત્વમેવ બંધુશ્ચ સખા ત્વમેવ ત્વમેવ વિદ્યા દ્રવિણં ત્વમેવ ત્વમેવ સર્વં મમ દેવ દેવ. જે ઉત્પત્તિ સ્થિતિ લય કરે વેદો સ્તુતિ ઉચ્ચરે જેના રોમ સુછિદ્ર માણુસમા બ્રહ્માંડ કોટી ફરે. માયા કાળ રવિ શશી સુરગણો આજ્ઞાન લોપે ક્ષણ એવા અક્ષરધામના અધિપતિ શ્રી સ્વામિનારાયણ. જેની અમૃતવાણી તો વહી રહી સાક્ષાત મહિમા રૂપે. જેની બ્રાહ્મી સ્થિતિ અહોલિન કરે સુભવ્ય અક્ષર પદે. શરણાગત નિજ અલ્પ જીવ સહુના શ્રેયાર્થ તત્પર રહે. કાકા સ્નેહલ સિંધુ દિવ્ય વિભુને હૈયું તો વંદન કરે. સજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય જય જય. આજ કે આનંદ કી જય જય જય. સદગુરુદેવ કી જય જય જય. ગુરુહરિ કાકાજી મહારાજ, ગુરુહરિ પપ્પાજી મહારાજ, બંધુ બેલડી શતાબ્દી પર્વ મહોત્સવની જય જય જય. પ્રગટ બ્રહ્મ સ્વરૂપ હરિપ્રસાદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય જય જય. પ્રગટ બ્રહ્મ સ્વરૂપ જસભાઈ સાહેબની જય જય જય. પ્રગટ બ્રહ્મ સ્વરૂપ મુકુંદજીવન સ્વામી ગુરુજી મહારાજની જય જય જય. સર્વે ગુણાતીત સ્વરૂપોની જય જય જય. Today we are 3 days ahead of Guru Purnima. On Tuesday is the full moon day, which is also Guru Purnima. But we all come here today on the invitation, so we bow down to you and we are celebrating that function today. Tuesday, I will be also traveling. Kishore Bhai, Masters, our Krishnan Bhai, and some others will, Kiran Ben, others, they will be all traveling. So, we would be missing you on Guru Purnima day. And we will be going to Allentown Mandir, Kople, Sahib Dada's Patosthav, Mandir Patosthav. And they would be celebrating Guru Purnima in the morning, so we will be missing that. We will be going in the afternoon, in the evening. So, this is the very good timing that we are celebrating here. And on this Guru Purnima, our prayer to our Gurudev Kakaji Maharaj, that whatever he had planned for, whatever he had made a sankalp in Chicago area, be fulfilled by all of us. A month ago, we had this big function, centenary function of Kakaji and Pappaji. And it was 125% fulfilled. We are all very happy about that, Our Sapan Bhai's dad, many years ago when he was here, when I asked him that, what is your thinking about how many % this thing is done, he would not say 100%, he would say 125%. That means fully, So whoever came, whoever watched, whoever heard about this function, they are all very happy about it. So that is why I said, 125%, And we want to please our masters in such a way on every day. So our Guru Purnima is normally today, but it should be every day. On that day, Gunatitanand Swami, we heard this vaat, that Shankar uncle told, that it says in the chapter 11, talk number 224, says that if we went to do some activity, some goal, and if that did not get fulfilled, then it is equal to that we did not go there. If we had a goal to do something and that did not meet the goal, then it is as if that we did not do anything. Second thing, he says, Gunatitanand Swami says, that in this body, if we came down to become Brahmarup and in the worship of God, and if that did not happen, then our taking the birth also is not fulfilled. Same way, Gunatitanand Swami says that we have this super quality satsang, and we have manifest God, and we have manifest Brahma, who was Gunatitanand Swami at that time. And we came in the company and association, and if we did not understand it, if we did not recognize it, then we are like the relatives of Lord Krishna in the time of Lord Krishna, who were related with them, who were their citizens and did not understand Lord Krishna and did not transcend the cycle of birth and death. So they are also very unfortunate. So we don't want to be unfortunate like that. That was the message from Swami Nivad today. And in order to elevate this, our Hinduism is preaching a medium to take ourselves to God. A medium is called Guru. Guru is our boat. Guru is our plane, rocket, to take us to the ultimate goal. We can do it without the boat, but it would be very difficult. A very best swimmer, the number one swimmer in the whole world, can maybe swim across the Mississippi River maybe on full flow. But he cannot swim the ocean. He cannot decide that I'm going to jump in New York City ocean, swim all the way to Bombay by myself. That would be not possible. For their best swimmer or the no swimmer, both needs boat. જે તરવૈયો હોય અથવા તો ના હોય, એ બેવને દરિયો તરવા માટે બોટની જરૂર પડે ને પડે જ. સુરવીર તરવૈયો હોય નદી તરી શકે, એમ સુખ દુઃખરૂપી આત્મનિષ્ઠારૂપી તરવૈયો નદી તરી શકે. પણ મોક્ષરૂપી ગોલ મેળવવા માટે, દરિયાને તરવા માટે ગુરુરૂપી બોટ જોઈએ ને જોઈએ જ. આ સિદ્ધાંત આપણા હિન્દુ ધર્મની અંદર ખૂબ જ અગત્યનો છે. ये सिद्धांत से ही हम आज इधर गुरु पूर्णिमा का महोत्सव मना रहे हैं. और गुरु परंपरा आज से बहुत सालों से चल रही है. The Guru Parampara is going on for many ages, And even God comes down on this earth, would respect his Guru as much as anybody would respect. If God is respecting Guru, then we should also give the respect to the Guru, When Kakaji came here, at the last 1985 trip, he had said that if there are 5 people in the whole America who would be in association and acting like Dinkar Bhai is doing, then I would say that whole America has become Satsangi. Now that is his verdict, that is his blessings. So I am saying that let us make Kakaji happy by not 5, but more than 5. And let us put our number in that. That should be our goal, to please Kakaji. So on this Guru Purnima, Vasi Bhai has put down 4 times 4, 16 different goals in his WhatsApp today. He was in Panchgini with the youngsters today, and yesterday in India time, And he told there that you want to make 4 spiritual goals and 4 ordinary goals, then 4 spiritual ordinary goals and 4 other ordinary goals. So I think there is a WhatsApp. So there are 16 goals he is asking us to put down. And if you want to put down, make one goal like this also, that we want to please Kakaji by becoming such a person that Kakaji would be happy. Kakaji would be pleased with our prayerfulness, our seva, our satsang, etc. So today, on this Guru Purnima day, I would read the blessings Kakaji gave in 1977 from London. And we had read that, I had read that in Gujarati. I will try to read in Gujarati and translate in English also, So all these others, those who are still on Gujarati learning, would be at least benefiting here. Swami Shriji Satya Che. Lord Swaminarayan Gunatitanand Swami is the ultimate, highest truth. 79, Wembley, London, 1st July 1977. Guru Purnima, Shubh Din, the best day of Guru Purnima. Guru Sakshat Parabrahma. Guru Sakshat Parabrahma. There is a saying that we sing, that Guru himself is the one who carries the ultimate God with him. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. To that Guru I bow down. And what qualities that Guru has? Nishkami, Nirmani, Brahma Swarup. The one who is without any desire, without any lust, without any ego, without any attachment. દેશ પરદેશમાં આ શુભ દિને સૌ પોતપોતાના ઈષ્ટદેવ ને ગુરુનું પ્રેમ ભાવથી પૂજન કરે છે. All over the world, on this pious day, everybody is doing the pujan, the worship of their own Ishtadev, their own Guru with love and affection. અર્ધ્ય પવિત્ર ભાવે અર્પણ કરે છે. They give whatever they have with the very pure feeling. પણ સાચા સદગુરુ જવલ્લે જ મળે. But to find a true Guru is very difficult. The other side, Pankaj, our Shankar uncle mentioned, that there are plenty of Gurus, But to find a true disciple is a challenge. That was Shankar Bhai was saying, And Kakaji says that among all this plenty of Guru, to find a true Guru is very difficult. Now Kakaji says, if we find it, મળ્યા છતાં મનાય નહીં. Even if we find it, then we will not accept it. That is a second hurdle. Third hurdle, મનાયા છતાં ઓળખાય નહીં. Even if we accept, we will not totally understand the magnanimity of the Guru. Number 4, અને તે થાય, if we even recognize the Guru, છતાં જેવા છે તેવા તત્વે કરીને પરબ્રહ્મ પુરુષોત્તમ નારાયણ અને ગુણાતીત બ્રહ્મ સ્વરૂપ સંત ઓળખાય નહીં. So now the different categories Kakaji explaining that there is a whole category of Guru. But a Gunatit Guru is a whole different category, Just like a category of mango is different from category of apple. We cannot say this mango is like apple, They are both fruits, They are both gurus, But mango is different. Same way, Gunatit Guru is totally different than normal category of gurus. That is what Kakaji says. જેવા છે તેવા તત્વે કરીને પરબ્રહ્મ પુરુષોત્તમ નારાયણ અને ગુણાતીત બ્રહ્મ સ્વરૂપ સંત ઓળખાય નહીં અને તેમનો અભિપ્રાય સમજાય નહીં. And we cannot understand their inner intent. તે માટે સત્પુરુષની કૃપા દ્રષ્ટિ અને પ્રસન્નતા મેળવવા જ પડે. For that we need Guru, Sadguru. This Gunatit saint as Sadguru, we have to have their grace and their blessings. Daya sarvapar surya saman. The sun in the sky is going to give light, sunlight to everybody who is in outside. It may be a saint or it may be a prostitute. It may be a thief or it may be a president of USA. They will all get the same equal lighting from sun. Sun is impartial. So same way, Kakaji is saying, what happened? Yeah, sorry. So same way, કાકાજી કહે છે કે સૂર્ય સમાન દયા સર્વ પર સૂર્ય સમાન. The grace is equal to sun to all of those who come in the contact. કૃપા અનન્ય ભાવે જોડાણથી જ થાય. But the special grace will be the one who is totally united with the such Guru. For example, the sunlight is there, but if you have the magnifying glass and the sun rays goes through there, then it would concentrate and make a fire out of it. Sunlight will create a fire. Same way, there will be a spark in ourselves by such a Guru when he gives a special grace. So, પ્રસન્નતા મેળવવા માટે અને સમ્યક સમર્પણ થતાં અંતરની પ્રસન્નતા થાય તો તેવી અભિપ્સા રાખીને પ્રસન્નતાનું પાત્ર બનવાની દિલથી અને શ્રદ્ધાથી પ્રાર્થના કરવી. So, if we are lucky enough to be in totally submitting ourselves to such a Guru, and if such a Guru is pleased from inner core of his heart, then we have to keep such an intense desire to become the chosen one by him, and with our heart and with our faith we should pray, and that is the true pujan of Guru. That is the true worship of Guru. I think the letter is long, and let's see what time we are at. We are getting close to 1 o'clock, and we have to do other things today. We will do Guru Pujan of our Gurudev Kakaji, and that would be reached to all Gurus and all those we want to do Pujan. by doing that. That is my humble prayer. So, કાકાજીની મૂર્તિ અહીં આગળ પૂજામાં છે, એમાં પૂજન કરવાનું કહીએ બધાને? Okay. So, how if people can come here, do pujan, and the bhayo, I will do pujan and they will do pujan to me. But our behno, they will do pujan to Raju uncle, and Raju uncle will. Or that would be better. Okay. Achha, behno will do pujan with behno, you know. Huh? Okay, then let's change the roadway. The bhayo will come here, and Raju uncle and I will do pujan, and behno will go there, and they will do pujan to behno. Huh? Is that okay? Okay, okay.